In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this error, please enable secure boot to continue, or secure boot needs to be enabled to launch FACEIT. Here's how you can quickly solve it without any problem. First of all, you go to the start menu and right here, settings, hit enter. And we basically go to Windows Update, scroll all the way down to the advanced options, and we will select in the additional options, recovery. And from here in the advanced startup, next to this is restart now. Click on that and click on restart now. It will take some time to restart. And from here, your PC will load in blue screen. That's perfect. Select troubleshoot and then click advanced options. And from here, we choose UEFI firmware settings and hit restart. Now your computer will boot into the BIOS, also known as UEFI. But the layout will look different in this depending on your board or PC brand. But the steps are almost the same for all the devices, so you don't need to worry about that. From here, we will search for the tab of boot or security. So here's Windows Boot Manager. So in my case, I'm using the virtual machine setup just to show you. But otherwise, if you can't find that option, just search it on YouTube, how to enable secure boot on, let's say, Dell or HP. And you will get a lot of videos about that specific topic on how you can do this for your specific laptop. And from here, you just need to follow the steps that is mentioned there. And once that is done, you will find somewhere save and exit button. So we will click on save and exit. And you click on restart the system. And after that, your PC will start normally. You just simply launch the FACEIT without any problem, and that should be it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.